Alright guys, in this video I want to show you guys how to solo improvise with pentatonic major scale, like pentatonic major scale. Yeah, so I'm sorry for my last video, the voiceover wasn't loud enough for you people to hear what I was explaining, so I believe this one is loud enough. So I'll be showing you this is how it goes. That's how I play. This is how it goes. First of all, it will be ascending order. It goes this way. Do re mi so la do la. It's descending. Like that is the descending and this is the ascending. You have to improvise. While soloing, you need to improvise and then add speed. Improvise it in your own way, then add speed to it. It will sound very matured, like something like this. So I now apply it on this one in a very slow way. To know is the time subdivision, the 1, the 2, the 4, the 6, the 8, the 16 and all of stuff, like something like this. So that is just the story. You need to know times of based on the beats, the kind of drain you are playing on, how the drummer is playing it, and other stuff. You need to play it following the drums, like the beats, the pedal, and the rest of the stuff. So that your soloing will be plain. You improvise it with your own creativity. That's what I mean. So I hope this video is helpful. If this is the first time you come across my channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and like the video. Just subscribe doesn't mean you pay money, just following me up. So anytime I drop videos like this, I will be helpful to you. You will see it. So that is just this thing. I'm hoping to see you guys on my next video. But if you don't understand, feel free to drop a comment. I might explain more further than this. And then please just subscribe for me. Thank you.